figure below is made up of a quarter circle over here, which is a quadrant, and a semicircle. The radius of the quarter circle is 14 cm. Find the perimeter of the shaded part. Now, to find the perimeter of the shaded part, like what I do previously, it will be a good practice for you. Go and color the portion that you need to find. So it'll be here, here, and here. Whoops. Okay, so usually, obviously, if you use a yellow highlighter, it'll be better. It's just that, I do not have a yellow highlighter with me right now, so let's just deal with this. And after that, go and label this side. So this number 1, is number 2, and this number 3. Number 1 you already have, so there's no trouble. Now number 2 will be the circumference of a quarter circle, the quadrant, right? So let's find number 2. Number 2 will be 1/4 multiplied by the circumference of the full circle, given to be pi times d. Okay, so it'll be 1/4 multiplied by pi, which is given to be 22/7, multiplied by the diameter. What they've given us is the radius, so we have to multiply that by 2 to get the diameter, because diameter is 2 radius, right? So this will be 28/1, and then just go ahead and multiply this. Okay, so I'm going to simplify this first. So if I divide it by 7, I'm going to get 4. Divide by 7, I'm going to get 1. Okay, if I divide this by 4, I'll get 1. If I divide this one by 4, I get 1. Okay, so cool. My answer will be 22. Okay, so I have number 2. How about number 3? For number 3 is actually the circumference of a semicircle, which means that instead of 1/4, you will be doing half instead. Okay, so half times pi times d. Okay, so half times pi given to be 22/7 multiplied by the diameter of this. Since this is the radius, this will definitely be the radius as well. So the diameter for this semicircle will be 14. So multiply by 14/1. Let's just try to simplify this. So divide by 2 become 1, divide by 2 become 11, divide by 7 become 1, divide by 7 become 2. So this will give me 1 times 11 times 2 will be 22. The bottom will just be 1 times 1 times 1, right? Okay, so right now we have 22, we have 22, and then we have 14. So just add them up together. 22 plus 22 plus 14, that will give us 44 plus 14, that will give us 58. And therefore your answer will be 58. Option 1. Ta-da! Done.